In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link notes to a meeting in OneNote. Linking your notes to meetings is a powerful way to keep all your information organized, easily accessible, and connected to the relevant calendar events. This is especially helpful for tracking action items, discussions, and follow-ups directly from your notes. To begin, open Microsoft OneNote and navigate to the notebook or section where you want to link your notes. It's a good idea to create a dedicated page for the meeting notes, so everything stays structured and easy to find later. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of OneNote. From here, look for the Meeting Details option, which allows you to connect your notes directly to a scheduled meeting. Click on this option, and OneNote will display a list of your upcoming meetings from Outlook that are associated with your account. Select the meeting you want to link to your notes. Once you choose the correct meeting, OneNote will automatically insert key information from that event into your page. This typically includes the meeting title, date, time, attendees, and any relevant agenda items. By doing this, your notes are now contextually connected to the specific meeting, making it easier to review discussions or action points later. As you take notes during the meeting, everything will remain linked, so you can return to the original event in Outlook if needed. Additionally, if you have multiple meetings or recurring events, you can repeat this process to maintain a well-organized record of all your meeting notes in one place. After the meeting, you can further enhance your notes by adding tasks, follow-up items, or links to other related pages within your notebook. This ensures that every note is actionable and traceable, improving productivity and accountability. And that's it. You've successfully linked your OneNote notes to a meeting, creating a seamless connection between your calendar events and your detailed notes. This feature helps you stay organized, access information quickly, and keep all relevant details in one place. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.